Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by going straight to Settings, no detours. Unlock the phone, tap Settings, and search for Gestures or System Gestures. Once you find it, toggle Swipe Gestures on and review the current swipe action so you know what to change. Make sure you have any required PIN or biometric ready. You'll be prompted. Once done, select the specific swipe action you want to edit so you can replace or customize it in the next step. You now pick the exact behavior. Assign a swipe to go home, go back, open an app, or trigger quick access. Tap the action, then configure parameters like sensitivity, direction, or edge width so the gesture feels natural. If you use a custom launcher or a gesture app, grant the requested permissions when prompted. Otherwise, the swipe won't launch apps reliably. Once configured, test the swipe several times to confirm. You finish by saving changes and immediately testing the swipe across the lock screen, home screen, and with an app so behavior is uniform. If something feels off, reboot the device to apply system-level changes. Make sure no other gesture apps or accessibility services conflict. If there is a conflict, disable or uninstall the overlapping app. If problems persist, reset gesture settings to default and repeat the setup. That single reset often resolves most inconsistent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.